Hello children, now we will see some exercise from the textbook. So open page number 102. First is the words curly and hungry tell us about curly logs. That means these two words curly and hungry are telling us about curly logs. Can you find some more words which describe the bears? Now form them into sentences of your own. What we have to do, we have to find some more words which describe the bears. कि bears को describe करे ऐसे words हमें यहाँ पे लिखने हैं. Okay. So I have written protective. Bears are protective. They protect themselves. Protective. वो protect करते हैं खुद को. Then bears are brown. Bears का कलर कैसा होता है? Brown. Bears are strong. कैसे होते हैं? Bears are strong. Bears are large in size. Bears are large in size. Bears are soft. वो ऐसे soft होते हैं. उनकी skin जो होती है, it is soft. Bears are brave. वो fight भी करते हैं. Bears are brave. If they feel any obstacle or feel any danger, that time they fight also. So bears are brave. Bears are sensitive. They are very sensitive. वो बहुत sensitive होते हैं कि जहाँ अगर कहीं कहाँ पर भी कुछ हलचल हो तो भाप लेते हैं. मतलब they can know easily because they are sensitive. Bears are intelligent. Bears are very intelligent. Bears are dangerous. They can kill us. वो हमें मार भी सकते हैं. इतने वो dangerous होते हैं. And bears are playful also. They like to play. Okay. After writing it, now we have to write 5 lines on my family. Here I have written about my family. You also have to write about your family. So I have written first, my family is very small. If your family is large, you can write large. My family is very small. It has 3 members. Okay? It has now 3 members. I have one elder sister. And now she is married. So I have not counted in it कि मैंने वहाँ पे उन्हें काउंट नहीं किया है. My mother is a teacher. My father is a doctor. My mother and my father is living in my house, and my sister is married. She is living in Delhi. Okay, like that you have to write about your family. Okay, now here let's listen and enjoy. Here is very short poem. A sailor went to CCC. Sailor कहाँ पे गया? समुद्र में गया. To see what he could CCC. मतलब वो क्या क्या देख सकता है ये देखने के लिए कहाँ पर गया? सी में गया. But all that he could CCC was the bottom of the deep blue CCC. But what he could CCC, मतलब वो जो भी देखना चाहता था, it is at the dip of, मतलब at the end of the blue sea के नीचे वो सब चीज़ें हैं. A sailor went to CCC. A sailor went into a sea. That means समुंदर. And to what he could CCC. To what he want to see. But whatever he want to see, that all things are the bottom of the deep blue CCC. Bottom means नीचे, एकदम नीचे. Bottom of the deep blue CCC. Okay. Now we have to make sentences with sea and sea. This sea means samundar, and this sea, that means to look, देखना. Then tell is an animal की पूछ होती है, TAIL, and TAILE, tell means story. Okay. So first sentence with this sea, the sea water is salty. If you have gone in the sea and if you mistakenly taste the sea water, it is salty. वो नमकीन होता है. The next see means देखना. I cannot see carefully. कि मैं carefully देख नहीं पा रहा हूँ. The next sentence with tail. That means animal की पूछ. My dog's tail got hurt while playing. Dog's tail got hurt while playing. मेरे dog की पूछ hurt हो गई while playing. And last tell. That means story. My grandmother read me a tale of the fairy and her dreams tonight. कि मेरी grandmother मेरे लिए क्या read करेगी? Tale of fairy and her dreams tonight. Okay. Now see on page number 103. The bear family went for a walk before dinner. Somebody came in. Look at what they did. The bear family went for a walk before dinner and somebody came in. That means you came in and look at what they did. Who has came in? आप नहीं आए थे, sorry. The mouse and the cat came in and see what they did. Then write about all the things kept in wrong places. Okay? Write about all things kept in wrong places. Wrong places पे कैसे thing रखी है ये हमें लिखना है. A ball is kept on Papa Bear's plate. A ball is kept on Papa Bear's plate. यहाँ पर तो porridge होना चाहिए, but the ball has kept in Papa Bear's plate. A flower is kept on Mama Bear's plate. A flower is kept on Mama Bear's plate. Mama Bear की plate पे क्या रखा है? Flowers. And a plant is kept near Baby Bear's chair. A plant is kept near, means उसके नज़दीक. क्या किसके? Baby Bear's chair के नज़दीक रखा है. And okay, that we have written. And what else do you see in the picture? And whatever you see in the picture na, write here on this line. Whatever you see extra in this picture, write here. This is homework for you. Okay children, complete it in the textbook. Thank you.